I'm Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. It's my 100th video, so stay tuned. Hey, I'm Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. Welcome to my channel. It's my 100th video. Oh my god. 100 videos. And it's been a week since I've had blue hair, and I want to talk about it. Oh my god. YouTube and you, my viewers, have been amazing for, it's about a year and a half of making videos, and I've come a long way, and I've really enjoyed this experiment. Thank you, viewers. I love you so much. I don't even know, let's look back at what I looked like when I began. My hair, my balayage is was crappily done the first time, and now it needs to be completely redone. My makeup just sucks. And holy shit, look at that hair. I don't even know what I was thinking, and now I have blue hair. All because of you. Thank you. My life is so much better. I gotta tell you, I have had blue hair for a week. I've been talked to by more young people in this week than in the entire year previous. Something about being middle-aged and overweight makes young people not talk to you. But you know what? When you have blue hair, they talk to you again like you're a normal human being. So I'm sticking with the blue because it makes me feel young and alive, and it's just kind of fun to be different. I mean, I've accepted. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you, 100 videos to make me accept that I am not a professional woman. I'm just not. I'm me. I make videos. I live my life, and I am super fucking happy with it. So let's turn blue. There's some really pretty blue, but a lot of yellow. So what we're gonna do is introduce some more blonde, which we will dye blue, and then in a couple days we'll do blonde again. Okay, I'm doing it. I have my hair up, and I'm scared. Okay, so this is Quick Blue with 30 Developer. It's yellow. Yellow and blue. Okay, it's after dinner, and I have a giant cystic pimple that we're gonna cover. I've got my rum and coke. With a straw, I reuse my straws. I got my purple DIY conditioner, purple shampoo, and we're gonna tone this yellow out, okay? Okay, here's what it looks like. So this is it. A little more blue. I feel like no matter what I do, I can't get rid of the yellow. I can turn my hair blue, but it's still gonna be brassy. That's right, I am happy. It is summer. I've got a lot of fun things planned in the next few weeks, and so I'm going to be blue and yellow and kind of green, but it's okay, because life is good, and thank you. 100 videos. Fucking, I love you, YouTube. Alright, I am 45 years old and I have blue hair.